redundancy is a type of termination that occurs when a business no longer needs an employee's role to be done by anyone. A redundancy can happen when a business introduces new technology that makes the employee's job obsolete, there's a restructure of the business due to a merger or takeover, the business relocates part or all of their operations, there's reduced production or sales at the business, or a business closes, or an employer becomes insolvent or bankrupt. Employees in this situation may be eligible for an additional payment called severance or redundancy pay. To be eligible, full-time and part-time employees must be employed by a business with 15 or more employees and have worked there for at least 12 months. Employees aren't eligible for redundancy pay if they've worked for less than 12 months with their employer, they've been engaged to work for a set period of time, task, or season, their employment is terminated because of serious misconduct, they're an apprentice, they're a trainee and have only been engaged for a set time or the length of their training agreement, they're a casual, or their employer doesn't need the job to be done by anyone, and this is due to the ordinary and customary turnover of labour. There are special arrangements for those whose employment transfers when a business they work for is sold. Under the National Employment Standards, the amount of redundancy pay an employee gets ranges from 4 to 16 weeks, depending on their length of service. Some awards or agreements have industry-specific redundancy clauses which apply instead of the National Employment Standards. Awards, registered agreements and employment contracts may also provide more generous redundancy pay or can have other rules, so it's a good idea to check yours. You can find more information and a redundancy calculator at www.fairwork.gov.au/redundancy. Authorised by the Australian Government, Canberra.